Sun-drenched and inviting, this super spacious, ultra desirable home is located in the highly sought after neighborhood of Northwest Torrance. Come take a look inside. Abundant natural light from awesome skylights within the gorgeous wood beam ceiling ushers you into the massive open concept living and dining room. Endowed with extensive cabinetry, generous granite countertops, and gleaming stainless steel appliances, the gourmet kitchen flows right into a picture-perfect area for all dining and social festivities. This extra bonus sitting room features a large, grand fireplace perfect for year-round gatherings. Charming double doors just off the entry open to a bright, sizable room optimal for an additional bedroom, office, or playroom. The large primary bedroom boasts of seemingly endless closet space and a remodeled ensuite with a chic walk-in shower. Two more great bedrooms complemented by a full bathroom offers an ideal layout for visitors and house guests alike. Just think of all the activities and gatherings you can dream up in your private, extra large, lush backyard oasis, complete with an enormous covered patio and jacuzzi hot tub. I hope you enjoyed seeing this incredible home. My name's Christina Blue, and I'm here for all of your real estate needs.